Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to tell you Moon Wallet review. If you're considering using Moon Wallet to store and send Bitcoin, it's worth understanding what it offers before you get started. So one of Moon Wallet's biggest strength is that it's a self-custody wallet. And this means you control your own private keys and recovery information rather than relying on a third party to hold your Bitcoin. As a result, you're responsible for keeping your recovery details safe. And another standout feature is its support for both on-chain Bitcoin transaction and the Lightning Network. Moon automatically handles the technical details behind the scenes, allowing you to send and receive Bitcoin without needing separate wallets for different type of transaction. And the app also has a clean and beginner-friendly interface, whether you're sending Bitcoin, receiving payments, or viewing your transaction history. The wallet is designed to be simple to navigate for both new and experienced user. And for security, Moon offers encrypted backups and recovery option to help you regain access to your wallet if you lose your device. However, it is essential to store your recovery information securely because anyone with access to it may be able to access your funds. An overall Moon wallet is a solid option for users who want a secure, easy to use Bitcoin wallet with built-in Lightning support. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.